For Sudarshana Pahandi, for Sri Sudarshana Mahapahandi, Sri Chakraraj Sudarshanas Pahandi, I will request Dr. Julie Das to come forward to take red one.
Jai Sudarshana! Jai Sudarshana! Jai Prabhu Sudarshana! Sudarshana vidmahe heti raja idimi tandas chakri prachodayat. Okay, Julie. Julie will take Sudarshana.
Bus. For Subhadra's Pandi, she first said, can I do a Pandi? I said, okay, we already have a Subhadra Ma's Pandi. But the person who wanted to do Pandi, she could not come. Then I announced, we need another sponsor. She immediately said, can I do it, Nani? So, whoever wants, mother knows who really wants it. Then I will request Jogesh, he's like my younger brother. Jogesh, I call him Jogesh, he calls me Nani. But he is like, I consider him as the spiritual guru of Odia community. He leads all the spiritual religious meeting, and I will request him to tell why he picks Balabhadra every time.
I actually, to be honest, it is my wife who looks into the spreadsheet and picks whatever she wanted, so there is no mystery, no mistake. But Balabhadra represents, so the Mamanani wonderfully described what the deities represent. I think Harakrishna Vaina has already talked about it. But Jagannath represents if you remember in Bhagavad Gita, see, the Bhagavan says, Dvabi mo purusho loke kshara cha kshara eva cha. Yeah? Kshara Purusha and Akshara Purusha. Kshara is that which goes changes, that which has meets dissolution, ultimately yes, this becomes
temporary.
Temporary. It's a transient Kshara Purusha. Akshara Purusha
Permanent.
Is Subhadra. Is from that Jogomaya, the whole Vishwa Brahmanda, just like in the mirror, if you think about a mirror, the power of the mirror to reflect, and the mirror is the existence itself, but the power of the mirror to reflect, without that power, the mirror won't be called a mirror. So Subhadra is that Shakti, yeah, and Jagannath is the Purushottama, is above the Kshara and Akshara,
Lord of the Lords.
The Purushottama.
Lord of the Lords.
Lord of the Lords, yeah, the Brahman, the Shiva, Paramashiva, whatever you say, the Shakti, Devi Shakti also is one with Jagannath, yeah, but anyway, so thank you.
We have another Pandi sponsor for Lord Balabhadra. I will send, see, he is also a very sincere volunteer for our group, Narendra Kota.
See, Balabhadra is heaviest. He's the big brother. So you need two people to carry him. That's why we got two volunteers, which is good.
So I will request, Mrs. Kajal Mishra to come forward, who was willing to carry Mother Subhadra.
Jai Subhadra! Jai Subhadra! Jai Subhadra!
Subhadra Red is here. Oh, so Subhadra already, did you give me? Did you give her? Okay, Basa. Okay, Jagannath. Now we will give the Jagannath. We have not yet invited. And we have two sponsors for Jagannath. But here only one sponsor is present. I will request Mr. Akshay Rai, who is also a very sincere contributor to our group. I will invite him to. Is Hrudaya and Sunita here?
I didn't see that.
Okay. Okay. So we will start the procession, right?
Is there anybody for Jagannath?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There are two per Jagannath, but so we can invite Anil Mahapatra. Anil? Is Anil here? Or Rajendra Subhuti or? Anil, please come.
Anil.
Beg Vanga.
Yeah, it will be easier to hold. So I had requested, I don't know if they're ready, I had requested dance teachers to have their dance students to be in the procession. So I'll request them to come here.
Manasi and Smriti. Smriti, Jio नहीं गया sir. Ask. She is one of the teachers with her students.
एक पच्चीस.
चलो जल्दी
तो मैं आगे रही भला. So
ये छोटो जेटा
तुम चिरा बाबे जी ठाकुर नमः. Krishna Swami ji, we'll give the Lord first, or we'll invite the king first. So he's going to do.
Raja.
Yeah.
Sosanavu, asantu.
I will request our Gajapati Sudarshan Bhaina to come.
The king of Puri is Gajapati Maharaj. Gaja means hathi, elephant. Pati is head of elephants. So that is the nickname given for Gajapati. And he is the first devotee of Jagannath.
Okay, I will call one person to hold the diya. I will hold, but the small date is.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. What's next?
Madhusmita, Tillu or Maitri to come to the front.
What happened to
Tillu or Maitri or Sangeeta? One of yeah, Jane Parshadabatangu dhariyo.
See, Jagannath has a lot of devotees, devatas on the side. We call Parsa Devata.
Not Lakshmi. Don't give the
Parsa Devata means they sit next to Jagannath. They are with Jagannath. But on the second tier.
Tikke pachhere side ei pachku bhainanga pachku ja. Semane asiki nebe ठाकुर मानंगु. Ja pachku ja. Okay.
You ready?
Okay, Niyo. I will invite Sudarshana. Jai Maharaj Sudarshana ki. Subhat Balabhadra. I will request Pandi Balabhadra Sarvakas. Julie, come behind Raja.
Here's the group, you can play.
No,
you can play the music.
Go near Julie. Go near Julie. And I will invite
Jai Baladev.
Subhadra Sevika.
Jai Baladev. Jai Baladev.
No, you
Swami
are not.
Jai Baladev.
Yeah.
Go. Jai Baladev.
And I will Jai Sri Balabhadra Maharaj ki. Jai Jagannath. Now please come.
Balabhadra. Swagatam
Please keep Baladev.
Baladev.
Jai Jagannath.
Swagat Balab Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhotale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namah Vishnu
तले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने
सुभद्रा क्या हुआ?
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाशतदशुद्धारिणे
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यादेशतारिणे
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्त वृंद
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जगन्नाथ
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद
जय जगन्नाथ
श्री
जय जगन्नाथ
गदाधर
जय जगन्नाथ
सादि गौर भक्तवृंद
जय जगन्नाथ
स्वागतम जगन्नाथ सुस्वागतम जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
स्वागतम
जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी की जय
सुस्वागतम जगन्नाथ।